I love a hot dog, but it's also fun to change things up with a spicy vegetarian alternative, like my plant balls sub sandwich. I'm going to start off by making a spicy pepper relish. I'm going to add the pepper to the pan and a little bit of oil. I'm going to add my red onion. Then I'm going to add a red chili. I like things with a bit of a kick. I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato puree. Now I'm going to cook my plant balls. You can take the plant balls straight out the freezer and then just fry them in the frying pan. I'm just gonna let that fry and I'm gonna slice up my mozzarella. Now, to assemble, you need a hot dog bun. The plant balls go on top. So they go under a hot oven at 180 degrees. Woo, hot stuff. A couple of basil leaves on top, and there you have it, my plant ball sub sandwich with a spicy pepper relish. Beats any hot dog any day.